Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix NBA 2K27 game not working, not opening, crashing or crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, freezing issue or black screen problem on Xbox console, whether you are playing the game on Xbox S series or X series. So without wasting time, follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. Now the first fix includes step 1, 2, 3 and 4. And after following all the 4 steps, you can check if your problem is solved or not. However, you can also check your problem is solved or not after following each steps. So here we go. Step 1 is to make sure your Xbox is up to date. So go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. Also make sure your game is up to date. Step 2 is to clear the NBA 2K27's cache files. So press Xbox kite button, click on My Games and Apps and then click on See All. Look for NBA 2K27 game and then highlight it. Then press Menu and select Manage Game and Add-ons. Click on Save Data, Reserve Space and then click on Clear Reserve Space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete the profile and make sure you click Delete from console when deleting. Step 3 is to clear persistent storage. So go to Xbox settings, go to devices and connections, Blu-ray, click on persistent storage and then click on clear persistent storage. Now if you don't see this feature in your Xbox console, then you can skip this step. And finally step 4 is to clear the alternate MAC address. So go to Xbox settings, go to general network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then click on restart to restart your console. And after your Xbox console restart, then you can go ahead launch the NBA 2K27 game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to remove and re-add account. So go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts. Now select the account that you want to remove, select the account in which you are having the issue and then select remove. Now add your account and after adding your account, launch NBA 2K27 game and see if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to manually select port. So go to Xbox settings, in general tab select network setting, test network connection, advanced settings. Select alternate port selection and then click on manual. Click on select port and choose a port that starts with 4 or 5, continue. Now restart your console and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and then select the port one by one and see which one worked for you. Fix 4 is to run NBA 2K27 game from store instead of running the game from the Xbox home. To do this, type NBA 2K27 in the search bar and then click on it and then click on launch game and check if that helps or not. Fix 5 is to change DNS server. So go to your Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings manual. Now in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then save it and then launch the game and check. Now if that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS you can enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then save it and then again relaunch the game and check. Finally, fix 6 is to reinstall NBA 2K27 game. So if nothing seems to work, then last solution is to uninstall NBA 2K27 game from your Xbox console. Then just restart your Xbox console and then fresh reinstall the game and then you can go ahead launch the NBA 2K27 game and check if it fixes your issue or not. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix NBA 2K27 game not working, not opening, crashing issue or crashes at a startup, not launching or won't launch issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, freezing issue or black screen problem on Xbox consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.